you're going to enjoy this film. I think we've succeeded to a great extent because a lot of people are now talking about the colors and why is it more special than some of the other, things that we see.
That's the first thing that strikes you as soon as you look at it. You know, this is the kind of cinema.
It's got, honestly, let me say, it's got that international kind of look.
It's really good.
The kind of terrain. See, it's also got to do with when you take a base of film, like our film is predominantly a North Indian film, depending on the weather, the lifestyle, everything else. So if you give it, and the kind of film it is, a slightly very manly drama, action, musical film. So this kind of stuff was what
it was not difficult. It was not easy. It was not for the costume guys especially. I mean, Elvira, his sister, has done the costumes, and she just went bonkers looking for things there which didn't have blue. And she said, it's blue is in our life everywhere. It's you wear blue jeans and you wear blue shirts, and most men prefer blue for some reason. Why do you want to avoid blue? They refuse to understand.
But pink is for girls, blue for boys, right?
But I think eventually they understood my point and they worked very hard and found clothes in every other color except blue.
I mean, what it reminded me of was all the old westerns.
Actually, we got two scared of blue.
It reminded me of all the old westerns that we had seen. I don't know whether you agree with that. Stuff like McKenna's Gold,
yes.
Hang 'em High, for a few dollars more. The good, the bad, and the ugly, stuff like that. It gives that kind of a beautiful
give it texture. See, sometimes
that's where the idea came from. I think I must have, when I first learned about it, I must have read it in there's a magazine called American Cinematographer.
That's right.
Yeah. So I keep reading up on these things and what are the technological advances abroad, and some of these which you can do here very easily. I like to push the envelope, and this is one way where I could have.
Really lovely. All right, now let's talk about the cast. Let's talk about, say, Arbaz's performance
Before we move on, I would like to mention my partner in crime in all of this look thing is Mr. Mahesh Lime, who's a wonderful cameraman. Right. He did fashion just before our film, which was all blue. So you can see the difference in color. And which was also a very good film. He maintained the blue there, and it was also very successful. And now he's come into the bomb zone. And I'm sure this is going to be successful as well. Yeah.
Oh, it is going to be successful. The kind of response that you're getting at the moment is absolutely amazing. Right, now let's talk about the cast. Let's start with Arbaz himself. Right, we talked about Salman. We'll come back to talking about Salman because the film is all Salman. Let's talk about Arbaz's performance.
Yeah, one interesting trivia is the casting of Arbaz happened first, and then came in Salman. I came to him for a role. When I first met him, he had no idea about turning a producer. I had no idea about him turning a producer. I came to him for a role because I saw him in this film Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, where he did a 5-minute cameo.
Yeah.
But that stuck in my head and I rolled with laughter, and I saw some sort of a comic spark that I needed for whoever.
अब आपसे एक बात मैं पूछना चाहूँगा जनाब के जहाँ तक अरबाज का सवाल है ना, let's forget for a moment that he's sitting over here, all right? जहाँ तक अरबाज का सवाल है जी. Don't you think he's been one of the most underrated actors in Bollywood? His performances have been so intense and so lovely wherever he's done.
No,
why is it that he's not?
I wouldn't want to analyze his career because I have seen very little of him actually.
So what would you say about this film, the way he's acted here?
He's tremendous. He's brilliant in the film, and I'm very glad that I cast him. And I guess my anticipation of what he would be able to carry off on the screen was quite accurate. And
would you agree with that? You're brilliant.
No,
he says you're brilliant. Are you brilliant, Arbaz?
No, I don't know. I like people to believe that, whether I believe that or not. But I'm very happy that he's saying all these things, and I'm happy that the director of the film and the writer of the film feels that way. As a producer, I'll tell you honestly, I was very happy to just produce a film. I'd come to a stage where, I was kind of losing interest in terms of the kind of roles that were coming my way, or jo kisam ki, and I wanted to really move on. So somewhere, even when I didn't realize that I was going to turn producer, it was subconscious in my back of my mind कि मुझे करना है. This just became a catalyst, and I said, इससे करते हैं. But हमारी फिल्म में मेरी जो casting थी, honestly, I don't think there's a better casting than me in this film, predominantly for the simple reason that we play step brothers in the film.
That's right.
Okay. स्टेप ब्रदर्स है ना, 19-20 का रोल है. आज मैं किसी और को कास्ट नहीं कर सकता उस फिल्म के अंदर. वो रोल बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा रोल था, अच्छा रोल है, और मैं भाई हूँ, और मेरी जो एक एक्टिंग की जो भी क्रेडिबिलिटी है वो उसको सूट करती थी. आज मैं अगर प्रोड्यूसर नहीं भी होता है,
Mr. Vinod Khanna plays your father.
Yeah, he plays the father. So everything all looks like it's believable. So it's a very apt casting. It's not predominant for the fact that I'm.
नहीं, ये तो है कि मतलब एक छोटा रोल था और अरबाज का जो भी कमर्शियल स्टेटस वो ध्यान में रख के मैंने छोटा रोल ही इनको ऑफर किया
जी।
मैंने उनको बड़ा रोल नहीं ऑफर किया। शायद अगर करता तो मेरे फिल्म उतना स्केल पे नहीं बना पाता, बिकॉज ही हैज अ स्मॉलर फैन फॉलोइंग देन सलमान खान। Once he came in and he suggested Salman, I think it worked well for me also for the reason that I would have had two brothers playing two brothers in the film.
That was brilliant.
See, that works.
Really brilliant.
That's believable, that's acceptable. That's the reason, like I said, कि वो बहुत ज़रूरी था। तो इस वजह से नहीं तो मैं बड़ा comfortably बैठ जाता। और आगे भी जो अगर मैं फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करूंगा, दैट विल नॉट बी द क्राइटेरिया कि मैं फिल्म वही प्रोड्यूस करूंगा जिसमें मुझे
एक्टिंग करना है, रोल निकल आता है और मैं करूंगा तो दैट्स ओके।
Alright, you also have Dimple Kabadia in the film.
Right.
She plays your mom.
Yeah, she plays our mom, Salman.
Yeah,
and
that's
my
right.
mom. Yeah.
Right, and Mr. Vinod Khanna.
Right.
He's also there.
Yeah.
So, would you tell us a bit about that?
Well, what's there to say about these two senior veteran actors?
And
But they are
talking in terms of the film.
Where they were very, you know, हमारी जब casting पे we were very sure as to हमको, and we never compromise on that. You know, the other casting also of the film जिसमें हमारे फिल्म में सोनू सूद साहब हैं and you know माही गिल हैं and you know the महेश मांजरेकर है, अनुपम खेर है, ओमपुरी हैं। हमने अपनी फिल्म की कास्टिंग में हमको जो सबसे पहले जो राइट लोग लगे थे हम उन्हीं को पहले अप्रोच किया and we were fortunate to get them. तो मतलब जैसे कि माँ के रोल के लिए हमने सोचा था कि मतलब डिस्कशन के बाद जिस पे हमने लॉक किया था कि इन्हीं को अप्रोच करेंगे, तो पहले जिन लोगों को हमने अप्रोच किया वही हमारे फिल्म में थे, बिकॉज दे सीम्ड लाइक द राइट पीपल टू डू एंड दे हैव ऑल डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब.
And the leading lady of the film, Sonakshi Sinha, that's Mr. Shatrughan Sinha's daughter.
That's right, yeah.
Ji, how did that happen?
That happened, it so happened that हमारी फिल्म में मतलब बहुत पावरफुल रोल है हीरोइन का. शी इज गॉट अ वेरी वी कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्मॉल झलक ऑफ द प्रोमोज होने के जो जिस किस्म के उसने डायलॉग्स बोले हैं. अभी वो न्यूकमर ने ऐसे बोले जो इतने पावरफुल लगते हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन वी एज अ पावर ऑफ द रोल इट हैड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस थिंग. सो वी वर इन अ स्लाइट डायलेमा वेदर वी वांटेड टू गो विद एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्ट्रेस बिकॉज द रोल इज पावरफुल एंड इट काइंड ऑफ गिव्स द फिल्म अ बिगर लुक, or we go with the novelty aspect, something fresh that we will be able to create magic with, but we had to have faith in that girl. And we decided that fair enough, we'll go with somebody new, but who knew? Shatru Saab is a family friend, we got to know his daughter is interested in films, and one fine day Amrita ki shayad sangeet ki party thi, and Salman came up to me and he says, I think we've found the girl. So I said, who? He says, Sonakshi. So I said, I knew Sonakshi, but for that moment I said, Sonakshi who? Sonakshi Sinha. And I'd just seen her, she just passed by. And I'd seen her and she looked lovely. So I said, great. I said, fair enough. He said, yeah, done. फिर वो मैंने इनको बोला मैंने बोला Salman has said that, I agree with that. मैंने बोला शायद कल न्यूज़पेपर में आ जाएगा कि she is there, so don't be shocked कि वो न्यूज़पेपर के डायरेक्टर को पता न्यूज़पेपर से मालूम पड़ रहा है कि हीरोइन कौन है. Then that's a beautiful story, and then you know the faith that we instilled in her, the confidence that we had, she's lived up to that. She's brilliant. She's
one main requirement that I had from the girl, apart from looking good and everything, is हिंदी अच्छी बोलनी चाहिए
जी.
क्योंकि जिस प्रांत में कहानी बसी है वहाँ के लोग हिंदी साफ बोलते हैं, अच्छी बोलते हैं, और ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं मिलता था बहुत सारी नई लड़कियों से कि वो हिंदी अच्छा बोल पाएंगी. सब थोड़ी अंग्रेज रहती थी. ये चीज़ सोनाक्षी में मिली और उससे बहुत रिलैक्स.
जैसा अभी अरबाज ने कहा कि भाई अगर कोई एस्टैब्लिश एक्ट्रेस को ले लेते, कोई एस्टैब्लिश स्टार को ले लेते, जो भी हो मतलब कास्ट एनीवन
जी,
उससे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता कि अभी जो है वो जो सैटिस्फाइड होता है.
पता नहीं, अब वो चीज़ें कभी पता नहीं चलेंगी. अब तो इम्पैक्ट सोनाक्षी ने कितना दिया है वो हम उसी से खुश हैं. तो जो चीज़ नहीं हुई उससे क्या होता वो मालूम नहीं, उसके बारे में मैं सोचना नहीं चाहता. पर सोनाक्षी ने बहुत अच्छा किया है. और जो डर था मेरा कि यार अब पता नहीं कौन लड़की करेगी ये फिल्म और फिर मुझे उसको कितनी हिंदी सिखानी पड़ेगी, वो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. और सोनाक्षी फटाफट बोलती थी जो भी कर.
और शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब ने देखा,
उन्होंने कहानी सुनी और थोड़ा ऐसे सुनी कि कुछ ऐसा
ये ऐसे क्या वो
मतलब एक अपनी आईब्रो चढ़ा के सुनी कि पता नहीं क्या करवाने वाले हैं, कौन से कपड़े पहनाओगे मेरी बेटी को क्या. और कहानी सुन के वो बहुत तसल्ली से बैठे रहे और
डिग्निफाइड.
हाँ, वो रोल बहुत साफ सुथरी पिक्चर है हमारी ना, उसमें कोई किसिंग है ना उसमें हैंड होल्डिंग है ना उसमें कोई गाली है, और उनको बहुत पसंद आई कहानी, और ही इमीडिएटली